Do you think an AI actually could be funny? Well, today we are putting that to the test. Let's go. So this is what we're gonna do today. Just start by extracting some news headlines with a web Python script. Feed that news into OpenAI's GPT-3 engine. And just ask the AI to create some sarcastic jokes about that news. Then we're gonna let the world enjoy those jokes by using some Twitter automation to get those jokes out there. Will we laugh? Let's find out. So I started using the Python script to get some NFT news to use for the tweets. Then I just asked for 3 sarcastic funny jokes from the OpenAI GPT-3. Gave me 3 kind of funny jokes. Then I needed some hashtags for these jokes, so I just asked for them. Copied all those jokes into a spreadsheet that we will need for some Twitter automation. When I had done that, I just went over to this Phantom Buster site. If you haven't used this before, I can maybe show you another time. But basically, I just gave it access to the spreadsheet and to my Twitter account. Just made up some parameters that's gonna tweet once an hour, and then we were set to go. Here you can see us just launching this this automation, and then it will contact of course the spreadsheet and the Twitter account and just put out a new tweet every hour. So yeah, pulling the tweets from the spreadsheet. Now we can see that our tweet has been posted. So now let's head over to Twitter again to find and to see if we can find our tweet, and there it is. Okay, so now the tweet is live for the world to see. I guess it turned out okay. It wasn't the best ones I have created the last few days, but it was okay. So if you want to read all those tweets, just look up this Twitter profile. No Coiner Noob. Very nice AI generated name. So all the tweets, I think it's 30 tweets. It's just been generated by the GPT-3. So, but I think now let's just look at some highlights from these tweets.
Why are all these Web3 and NFT companies trying to get us to exercise more? Do they think we're not already fitness freaks?
When your NFT protocol is called Double Protocol, but you only have one use case, scamming people. Why does Kia America think I want an NFT in my car? I just want to get from point A to point B without my car turning into a digital asset.
In the future, crypto will be just like everything else, some years good, some years bad, but don't worry, there's always another get-rich-quick scheme just around the corner.
Why is crypto up today? I'm sorry, I was too busy being poor to notice.
Okay, if you enjoyed this video, I think you should check out this one where I try to create a automated finance news YouTube channel. Anyway, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.